Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the sharpness on Facecam Neo from Elgato. To do it, in the camera app, simply find the picture and then you'll find sharpness. Now you can see if I set it to 0% that it's not sharp at all, and it looks like I'm out of focus, although I'm not. And if I set it to like 100%, then it looks too sharp, almost like low quality photos. So it's great to find your sweet spot. It mostly depends on your lighting conditions. So that's pretty important. I think that 70 works great for me. And I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.